Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm talking about where you can use labels in Scrivener. So, obviously you can see the labels in the individual folders and documents in your Scrivener file. And I've already showed you before how you can add them to your binder, but there are some other options too. You can also add label colours to your icons. Okay, that's a bit much. Let's take them off the binder. Much better. You can also have colours on the index cards in your inspector. That lime green's a bit bright. And the final option is to have them appear in your outline, which I have to be honest, I never use. And now that pink looks very overwhelming. Be careful which colours you choose when selecting them in your labels. Personally, I think using labels in the binder and on the icons are the two most useful options, but your experience may differ. Click here for more Scrivener delights. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.